the octopus who tried every hobby in one day. Deep in the shimmery blue of Coral Cove lived an octopus named Ollie. Ollie had 8 arms, 2 bright eyes, and 0 patience. When he wanted to try something, he wanted to try it now. One sunny morning, Ollie popped out of his seaweed bed and announced, "Today I shall discover my true hobby." The fish around him blinked. A crab dropped his seashell mug. Even the coral seemed to gasp. Ollie didn't notice. He was already zooming toward his first idea. He found a tiny drum set made of clams. Pom, pom, tick, tick. 8 arms drumming at once was a lot. Fish covered their ears. A sea turtle groaned, "Buddy, maybe stick to 1 drum at a time?" Ollie nodded politely, then immediately swam away. Next, he tried painting. He dipped his tentacles in colorful sea sponges and swooped across a rock. But with 8 arms, he painted 8 different things at once. A whale, a pineapple, a wiggly worm, and somehow his own face. "Art is messy," Ollie sighed. Then came knitting. He tangled the yarn faster than a whirlpool. Then juggling. He tossed pearls, shells, and 1 grumpy crab into the water. "Hey!" the crab shouted mid-air. "Sorry." But Ollie wasn't done. Baking? His sea cakes floated away. Gardening? He accidentally hugged a cactus coral. Ow! Singing? A shark swam by and asked him to stop because it was too dramatic. By lunchtime, Ollie flopped onto a soft patch of sand, all tentacles sprawled out like spaghetti. "I'm good at nothing," he mumbled. A tiny striped fish poked his head around a rock. Ollie? We've all been watching you. You're actually really fun to be around." "Fun? But I can't finish anything." The fish smiled. "Maybe your hobby isn't doing one thing perfectly. Maybe it's trying lots of things with lots of joy." Ollie blinked slowly. "That's a hobby?" "Sure. You're an explorer. A hobby explorer." Ollie's eyes lit up like twin lanterns. "A hobby explorer! That's me!" He twirled all 8 arms at once, not too fast, not too wild, but happily. By evening, the whole reef gathered to watch Ollie try one last activity: bubble sculpting. He blew a giant bubble, then shaped it with his arms, gently, carefully, and pop! It burst into 100 tiny bubbles shaped like little stars. The reef creatures cheered. Ollie giggled. "I don't have to pick just one hobby. I can enjoy all of them in my own messy, wiggly way." And from that day forward, Ollie the Octopus proudly explored every hobby under the sea, one wiggly armful at a time.